arrive for much of Australia, which brings rain, cold nights, and in some areas frost. Some plants will need manual protection from frost. You can use a frost cloth, a cloche like this, or for most plants, fortnightly applications of a seaweed solution should be enough to nurse them through most frosty mornings. For some plants, like avocados, you should actually remove mulch. Bare soil radiates temperatures back into the canopy overnight, much better than mulched soils, and that'll be enough to often stave off frost. While winter is traditionally the time where you do most of your winter fruit tree pruning, leave it till a little later in the month or even July, just to allow them time to enter full winter dormancy before pruning. This is your last chance to plant broad beans. A long season crop, plant them now. They'll grow all the way through winter and reward you with beautiful flowers in spring, followed by copious amounts of pods. If eaten young, you simply open the outer shell and you can pick the fresh green beans and just fry them up and eat them like that. Later in the season, you'll actually need to peel them from their secondary skin as well. Before planting, soak them overnight to help kickstart germination. I prefer to plant them in pairs because then they can actually support each other as they grow, but you'll still require a trellis or some kind of frame because as they get older they become very top heavy. There are many different varieties available, including crimson and chocolate flowered beans, which offer you not only the pods but also beautiful decorative flowers. Bare root fruit trees, roses, strawberries, asparagus and rhubarb are all coming into season now, which is great news for gardeners because you get twice the plants for a fraction of the price. Prepare your soil prior to your plants arriving, and when they do, soak overnight in a seaweed solution prior to planting. If you'd like to know more about what to do in your growing zone this month, check the Diggers website for more details.